going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlogs. If you guys are wondering why I'm just sitting down in this area, and I'm sorry if it's noisy, I don't have my external mic. I left it at home, unfortunately. But if you guys are wondering why I'm here, by the title of the video, you guys already know why you guys are here. But the reason I'm in this weird area and I'm sitting down here is because I moved. I'm not anywhere close to that parking garage. I used to film a lot of my stuff, so I can't go back there really. I can. I'm just too tired to go drive over there because I just got off work. But this is my only time and only chance to be able to do this video, so I wanted to make this video really quick on you guys about the news. Just said the car, but the new car. So I'm not gonna let you guys wait any longer, and without a further ado,
eternal.
baby, this thing is so freaking sweet. Hold up, this thing is so sweet. My battery is literally about to die, and I apologize about that. I did not come prepared, but this is it, boys and girls. The new whip, the new 2021 Supra. This is the car that replaced my STI, and I hope some of you guys are really excited to see all the new things that are about to come to this car, because I have so many plans for this car and so many things I want to do to this car. So I hope you guys really like this video. I really hope you guys aren't too disappointed in me about my decision of what I got, but I hope you guys do always keep watching and support me and everything, because I really enjoy making these videos for you guys, and it's really fun to do. And I hope you guys are just excited about this car as I am, because I've had this car for a little under a week, and it still does not feel real that this car is actually mine. This car is so nice and so fun to drive, and I cannot wait until you guys experience this car with me. But anyways, I hope my cinematics were good. I don't know how good they were. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna embarrass myself, because like I said, I'm not a cinematographer. I like to do photography, but that's about it. So but anyways, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's pretty short. I'm super tired. I got off work and I just came straight home and made this video for you guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. So anyways, I'm gonna leave it at here. I really do appreciate all you guys that stayed and watched my videos and are still gonna support me even with the decision I make. But yeah, like I always say, everyone, thank you guys all so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.